Thank you for joining Video Fit Solutions. We hope you enjoy our short narration of the Atlanta Zoo. Please like, share, and subscribe. God bless. Zoo Atlanta was founded in 1889 and has been home to hundreds of species since. Original residents of the zoo included but were not limited to a black bear, a raccoon, a jaguar, and hyena. Following a period of decline in the mid-80s, the zoo was privatized in 1985 with the creation of a non-profit organization, the Atlanta County Zoo, and was renamed Zoo Atlanta that same year. Zoo Atlanta has over 1,500 animals and over 220 species of animals. A visit to the Atlanta Zoo, you may see birds, or you may come on over to the reptile exhibit and check out the snakes. As you travel across the zoo, there are also zebras and, of course, lions. Zoo Atlanta also remains home to the offspring of its best-known gorilla, Willie B., who was born in 1959 and died in 2000. The zoo is also home to 6 of Willie B's grandchildren. In closing, Video Fit Solutions hopes you enjoyed the video. If you get a chance and you're visiting Atlanta, check out the zoo. You just may like it. Take care and God bless.